Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to change the language in the Bluesky app on your phone. This simple process allows you to use the app in the language you are most comfortable with, making your experience smoother and more enjoyable. First, open the Bluesky app on your phone. Next, look at the top left and tap on the three dots icon. Then from this menu, select the option called Settings. Scroll down until you see the Languages option. Click on Languages, then tap on App Language, and you will see a list of available languages that you can choose from. After that, select the language you want. The app will automatically switch to the chosen language, and you can start using Bluesky in your preferred language immediately. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.